All right. Today let's go to a restaurant. What's it? El Pilon de la Negra. It's supposed to be Argentinian or something, not Spanish, but we'll see. The restaurants are finally open in Spain. Yay. So the restaurant that we're going to is in this town called Puente Torcino, which would mean Bacon Bridge. And I was looking on Google, but there's nothing really there to see. Maybe one building that's a museum. The outside looks pretty cool. But I think we're just gonna keep it strictly food today because I'm not really doing much lately because I'm hurt. And everything has been closed for lockdown, coronavirus, etc., etc. All right, so we're waiting for her friend to pick us up. She should be here any second. But yeah, it'll be nice to get out of the house for a while. I said I've been hurt, so my leg's been hurt. I haven't been able to ride. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's been a couple months and it's not looking too good. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. As I know, you all will know. Okay? I am missing the mountains back there, if you can see that. You know how these GoPros are.
Bueno, cuando esté, venga, hola. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis?
Bien, a echar un ratico, como si... Sí, tía, es de verano, pero digo, total. Y me lo he puesto. Hace sol, pero... hace fresco. Hace 18, sí, yo llevo la chupa, pero llevo la chaqueta para abajo. Y eso me fue ayer tarde. A que te gusta. Yo te diría que a la derecha. Venga, muy bien, Belén.
Hemos llegado. All right, we're here. I'm hearing music. Seems like a pretty cool place. In the middle of nowhere, really. Oh, I hope the sun wasn't behind me. Yeah, okay, let's go check it out. So I guess the restaurant's actually here. Ah, okay. And that's something that they just have across the way. All right, let's go inside this restaurant. El baño? Not sure what's going on here. Or here. Venezuela. What do we have here? Mar Caribe, Atlantic Ocean, Venezuela, Caracas. I guess this is some like Argentinian things. Look at that. Pretty cool little parrot. Nice, nice. And behind me, the kitchen. Very interesting. Cool spot. So we've got like a food truck in the place. Pretty interesting. I like it. Some Venezuelan food. Chachapas, arepas, tequeños. Y mira, sin gluten. Got a little spot for the lovers. Los amantes. Apúntate. Okay, so I'm going to explain that once again. This restaurant is Venezuelan, así que, so the food here is very different. I'm assuming it's still something Tapa based because that's what the majority of people in Spain are going to eat. Alright, so here's this Polar, it's a Pilsner. Oh my goodness, the Florida Brewing Inc. Auburndale, Florida. Nice. I'm from Florida, so it's a beer from Florida. Let's see how this works. Ching, 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 ching. It tastes like some good old boy beer right there. What do you think, Antonio?
What?
About the beer?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good?
Yeah.
He speaks English pretty good. All right, so we got the first thing here, and I have no idea. It looks like croquettes. What are they? What are these?
I don't know.
We got some sun. We got some dipping sauces. No, it's like a mixture of different things. All right, so they're just talking, so I just grabbed one. I think it smells like corn wheat. That's a thing. Filled with cheese. Wow, this is really good. This looks like a croissant with cheese. I need a sauce. I love it. Now we got some nachos. Let's look at these.
Tengan cuidado con el platito que está caliente. Vale, se ve que al final eso te iba a decir.
Not bad, not bad. It's very pretty, very elegant nachos.
Salpicón así, digo, a lo mejor me gusta. Es que ligero, ¿no?
Now we got something else here, because I don't know what it is. Do you know what that is? ¿Sabes lo que es? Sí. Comida. Ya está. Food. So what do we got here? It looks like a, I don't know, a weird version of an overpriced tostada.
¿Hay pedido la segunda ya?
No,
No,
¿Ya los tenéis? Vale.
Yo quiero, esta era para quién. Yo quiero otra
Aquí hay una, mira.
Ah, vale, esa es para mí. Vale.
No,
No,
es para mí.
¿Una? Ah, vale.
falta una.
Vale, ya,
Toma.
Entonces, trae otro, por favor.
Vale, perfecto.
Okay, so while we're waiting for more food, I will teach you something in Spanish. Esta que te cagas. Right? Is that right? What does it mean?
Está buenísimo.
Está buenísimo. But the translation would be, it makes you poop. It makes you shit. Literally, it's saying it makes you shit. But in Spanish, it means it's perfect. Esta que te cagas. It will make you shit. Cachapa?
Sí. Cachapa.
Cachapa, no idea. All right, let's see what do we got. Beef.
Yeah.
Beef and some kind of corn tortilla. Let's try it. And there's another one now with chicken. Cheese. And I heard avocado. This is incredible. I mean, absolutely. This beef and this cheese, this is incredible. This will definitely make me go poop. Hasta que te cagas. All right, and we got some dessert. Ah, sí.
Oh.
And algo de chocolate. And here we have the bill. Let me put that on the table so you can see it just a little bit better. About $148. I'm sorry, 148 euros. Yeah, maybe right now $170. Way too much. Way too expensive. What's a ripoff? And this is generally not what you would spend in Spain. But this place is people. And so this is where I don't know what this place is. But I would not come back. The food was great. The place is cool. But I won't come back. It's just way too expensive. Not worth it. But if this is the type of stuff you like, hey, this is a good place. And for that, I recommend it. Okay, guys. I'll see you soon. Thanks again.
Pero es que ese el otro día,